Hi guys, so I'll show you how to use the Samsung 7.5 Topload washing machine. First, of course you have to connect your hose to the faucet, and you also have to make sure that the drainage is already connected to your drain. And then I will show you an example using my blankets. First, we have to press the power, and then we press the water level. I will use level 3, and then I will just click the air turbo for 15 minutes and then wash for 30 minutes. And then rinse. I will choose 2. This will rinse the clothes twice, and the spin is 4. And then you can choose here whether depending on the type of clothes that you will wash. So I choose the blanket, and then after that you can now press the start. The water will start to fill, and by the way, this is where we put our fabric conditioner. You may press the pause anytime, so you can add more detergents or fabric conditioner. So the water will start to fill in until it reaches the level 3. It will start to wash after the water is filled. And after washing, it will automatically drain, and then it will fill the water again and then start to wash, and just repeat the process until the clothes is or the process is done. It can dry your clothes up to 80%. So this washing machine is very helpful, and this is highly recommended. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.